Hello guys, good evening. I hope you're all doing well. It took me so long to make a video for our number 5 advice because I'm super busy at work. Super busy. Karon kay nakahigayon naman kung himo sa video. Muna i-share na ko ninyo ang atong number 5 advice. And our number 5 advice is always be considerate. Remember, each one of us have different views and opinions, situations, challenges, and problems. That's why we need to be considerate of what the person is going through. Always put yourself in the shoes of the other person. They might not have the same beliefs as you do. That's why never compare yourself to the other person. It's not always about you. It is also about what the other person is feeling, what the other person is feeling, and what she thinks of her situation. So always be kind, always be considerate, and remember, always be happy, no matter what. That's it for now, guys, because I'm super tired. I need to rest and I need to have my beauty rest. Bye for now, guys. See you on our next video. Bye-bye.